G'day guys, welcome back. Gordon from Blue Tongue Industries. Wanted to show you this SoftWash skid with a point of difference going into state shortly, but before it does I want to run you through it because this particular company had precise requirements and we've met those requirements to build a system to suit them. So we'll start at the non-glamour end. So this particular skid assembly, which is 1500 by 1200, has a 150 litre chem tank, and on the back it has two 50 litre, I'll call it soap tanks, but this particular system is going to be used slightly differently and we'll discuss that. It's all going to draw from an additional water tank at 150 litres. So once again powered by the master in SoftWash technology, and that's Midwest. A hydro mixer V4 to couple to one of the SoftWash pumps, which we'll take a look at closely. So this is going to enable you to control your incoming mixture to allow disperse of your soap and your chem. You'll be able to dial up how much soap and surfactant you like and the percentage of SH you like. Now starting to get to the serious side of this particular machine, 100 metres of 1/2 inch hose on a Summit SoftWash hose reel. So that's going to get you a bloody long way, coupled up with our SoftWash guns and our quick release fittings. That will be a SoftWash application delivery system. We've also got an additional 400 bar stainless steel reel coupled with 50 metres of 1/2 inch hose. So that's going to enable this particular customer to use this in an application different to others. Now, so this is the real meaty stuff here now. So you'll pick up an additional third 50 litre tank. So that tank is going to be coupled individually to one of the pumps, which we'll talk about shortly. A 12 volt battery charger, IP65, tucked up underneath, nicely hidden, and ease of maintenance at maintaining the 120 amp hour deep cycle battery, which is tucked in the battery box out of the way. So you'll get a look at the plumbing and you go, gee whiz, what's going on here? So it is a 12 volt system with two pumps, both Everflow. The larger pump 20.8 litres a minute at 60 psi, and the smaller pump 8.3 litres a minute at 70 psi. Both pumps are coupled up with flush valves to enable maintenance of the system. So as a standard SoftWash system, the guts being Midwest proportioner, the 20.8 litre a minute pump is going to act as a standard SoftWash fully proportioned system. So it's going to pull sodium hypochlorite, SH, from the 150 litre dedicated chemical tank, and through the single soap valve you're going to be able to select two tanks, either a house wash mix with our sticky additive, sticky blue, and our masking agent as a fragrance, or we can flick over and pull a additional soap tank, which could be a degreaser. Why would you need a second pump? The 8.3 at 70 psi. It is coupled to the 50 metre 1/2 inch hose. It is taking a solution directly from one of the 50 litre rear tanks. So pressure cleaning, soft washing, if you need to carry out sealing, a sealing additive post treatment, or roof treatment or flat work treatment with a biocide like our wet and forget. So we just fired up the Everflow 20.8 litre a minute at 60 psi, a 300 pencil jet. So we're running through 100 metres of hose. Fully proportioned system. Let's see how high we can go. So 9 metres. And looking at that, we're probably about 1 metre over the top. Of that building. So to douse that in your fully proportioned system, you're going to get very good coverage quite quickly from a 12 volt system. Absolutely awesome. So just fired up the 8.3 litre a minute pump at 70 psi with a 300 nozzle in the same. Let's do a distance shot, and quite good flow. So if you were using this as a dedicated SoftWash pump, distance there, that's pretty impressive from a small pump. If you're using it for sealing and roof treatment, flat work cleaning, this is a 40-degree soaper nozzle. The application on a 50-metre hose, 8.3 litre a minute pump, even from a SoftWash application, is quite impressive. Let's get some height. So on our 50 metres of half-inch hose, 8.3 litre a minute pump at 70 psi. Let's see if we can get to the top. And we're probably about a metre over the top. A 300 pencil jet to push our solution at height. So if you're using this as a SoftWash pump, that's reasonably impressive for such a small pump. From a spray application, if you're down low, as a 40-degree nozzle, the dispersal rate of that, little pump. Packs a punch, everything under one skid, and that's bluetongueindustries.com.au. If you like all this, you can see all our videos online under Blue Tongue Industries on YouTube. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. All the parts you can also see on our website under bluetongueindustries.com.au.